Welcome to Trout Unlimited's Coldwater Conservation Corps training video for testing water quality in local streams and rivers. The Coldwater Conservation Corps is a program created by Trout Unlimited and its Pennsylvania Council. The program trains a network of volunteer stream stewards to monitor water quality in Pennsylvania. Created to assess the impact of Marcellus shale development on streams and rivers throughout the Commonwealth, the Coldwater Conservation Corps has trained over 300 volunteers as of September 2012. By collecting data on a regular basis, TU members and other volunteers act as the local eyes and ears on the ground and become acutely aware of possible impacts to local streams. The data collected through the Coldwater Conservation Corps are useful tools in monitoring Marcellus shale development because they can demonstrate immediate impacts from gas drilling and capture long-term changes in stream condition over time. This video is meant to be used as a companion to the Coldwater Conservation Corps training manual. This is the last of 3 videos in this series, which will serve as an additional resource to the Coldwater Conservation Corps training program and manual. This video will show you how to collect the quality assurance quality control sample, when to collect it, and where to send it. We use quality assurance and quality control to ensure that the Lamont tracer meter is operating correctly, that the meter is being used correctly, and that accurate data are being collected. Ultimately, quality assurance and quality control measures give our data credibility, which assures scientists and environmental regulators of the integrity of Trout Unlimited's data. Quality assurance and quality control will be measured twice a year, once at low or normal flow conditions, and again at high flow conditions. Quality assurance and quality control samples need to be collected from each monitoring site. Our partner, the Alliance for Aquatic Resource Monitoring, or ALARM, based at Dickinson College, conducts quality assurance and quality control on all TU collected samples. The samples should be mailed to ALARM, where they will be retested to check for discrepancies in the field measurements, and then they will be sent to a laboratory to be analyzed for barium and strontium levels. Each sample should be accompanied by a quality assurance, quality control data form, which can be found in your Coldwater Conservation Corps manual or on ALARM's website. You can find ALARM's mailing address on the datasheet. In addition, there may be times that you will be called upon to take an additional water sample from a stream or when a pollution event has been suspected and a sample needs to be gathered. It's important that these water samples are taken properly so the resulting data will be valid. To begin, fill out the information requested on the bottle's label. It's important that you only use bottles provided by Trout Unlimited or ALARM because these have been sterilized. If you're collecting a sample for a suspected pollution event, make sure you wear latex gloves for protection. Remove the cap from the bottle and enter downstream of where you're going to collect the sample. It's important to avoid collecting any sediment that may have been disturbed when you entered the stream. It's preferable to secure a sample from near the center of the stream. High water conditions or other circumstances may dictate that you secure the sample from the stream bank. Rinse the bottle 3 times before collecting a sample. To collect a sample, submerge the bottle in the water column with the mouth of the bottle facing upstream. Avoid collecting any sediment and try to gather a sample representative of the entire water column. Leave 1 inch of airspace at the top of the bottle and put the cap on. Within 24 to 48 hours of taking the sample, you should mail the sample to ALARM. Flat-rate boxes at the post office are useful for mailing these samples. Within 2 to 4 weeks, you should receive an email from ALARM regarding the results of your sample. Thank you for participating in Trout Unlimited's Coldwater Conservation Corps monitoring program. If you have any questions about the program, please contact Mitch Blake at mblake@tu.org. Thanks for your support of Trout Unlimited.